Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best body cam is probably one of the most important investments you can make for personal safety and accountability, whether you're a law enforcement officer, security guard, delivery driver, or simply someone who wants an extra layer of protection during daily life. This video will help you navigate the world of body cameras and find the perfect fit for your needs, covering key features, functionalities, and factors to consider before making a purchase decision. Number 5. BOBLOV KJ21 Body Camera. It has a powerful battery that provides up to 10 hours of recording time. You can record continuously throughout your shift without worrying about it running out of power. This camera features advanced night vision. It captures clear footage even in low-light conditions, up to 32 feet away. It offers flexible mounting options, including a belt clip and a shoulder clip. You can wear it comfortably and securely on your uniform or backpack. It supports micro SD cards up to 256 GB, giving you plenty of space to record extended periods. Never worry about running out of storage again. It records stunning high-quality video at 2640x1296p and takes 30MP photos. You'll have crystal clear recordings for any situation. What we like. It boasts impressive battery life and night vision capabilities. If you need a reliable camera for long shifts or low-light conditions, this is a great option. Its extended recording time ensures you won't miss a moment, making it perfect for various professional uses. What people say. The battery life is good and usually lasts several hours. Recordings at night are a tad less clear, but still very good. It has a wide-angle view. After several weeks of using the camera every day 8 to 10 hours a day, it has proven to be extremely great. The battery lasts at least 10 hours as long as you put the video to 720p and don't record constantly. It has a lot of features that makes it pretty reliable: night vision, flashlight, emergency siren that sounds like a police siren, and you can take a picture as well. This is a great body cam. Most importantly to me, the pros to this one is the lengthy battery life, night vision IR, motion stability, loop recording, easy to tell if it's actually recording, ability to set date time on the cam itself without having to go through a USB cord to a computer, and a screen to view the footage without having to put the memory card in a computer or device to view it. Number 4. CammPro i826 Body Camera. Introducing the CammPro i826, your ultimate solution for high-quality video recording. It's packed with features designed for reliability and ease of use. Never worry about running out of space. It boasts a generous 64 GB of built-in storage, allowing for hours of continuous recording. Capture crystal clear footage, day or night. It features 1296p HD recording in high-intensity infrared LEDs for exceptional night vision up to 50 feet. Power through your day with its long-lasting 3500 mAh battery. Record for up to 10 hours on a single charge. Review your recordings instantly. The convenient 2-inch LCD monitor lets you playback footage immediately. It offers both password and password-free settings, providing flexibility to meet diverse needs and security preferences. What we like. This model stands out with its large built-in storage. If you prioritize ample recording space without needing extra memory cards, this is the one for you. Its high-resolution video ensures you capture every detail, ideal for security or law enforcement applications. Number 3. Ksadbossbo Body Camera. It's a versatile and powerful camera, perfect for various situations. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, and its advanced features ensure you capture everything you need. Review and delete footage instantly on its large screen. The hotspot mode lets you easily transfer recordings to your phone wirelessly. It captures crisp, clear videos thanks to its high-quality lens and sensor. You won't miss a single detail. Adjust the lens to your perfect angle. Motion detection saves power and storage by only recording when needed. With a long-lasting battery and a built-in 64 GB card, it's ready for extended use. You can also connect it to a power bank for continuous recording. Watch your recordings directly on the camera, via the hotspot mode on your phone, or by connecting it to your computer. It comes with a magnetic lanyard and bike mount for hands-free recording. The built-in flashlight helps in low-light conditions. We offer a 1-year warranty and 24/7 customer support. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. It offers a convenient magnetic lanyard and hotspot mode for easy transfer of recordings. If you value portability and quick access to your footage, this camera is a smart choice. The magnetic attachment makes it incredibly versatile for various activities and situations. What people say. Ease of use. I turn this model on before I start my walk, clip it to my belt, or the hem of my leggings, and then click the recording off at the end of my walk. Good battery life. I recorded a 2.5-hour walk and kept the camera on the entire time. The battery was still more than 50% full when I finished my walk. The videos are fantastic from regular distance, however, the zoom does knock down the clarity of the videos a bit. Number 2. Ksadbossbo Body Camera. It features a high-quality LED screen for easy playback and menu navigation. You can instantly replay, delete footage, and adjust settings without needing a computer or phone. This camera captures crisp, clear videos thanks to its 1080p sensor and advanced lens technology. No detail will be missed, and the efficient H.264 format saves memory space. The 180 degrees rotatable lens ensures you always capture the right angle. It also has motion detection and automatic night vision for optimal recording in any lighting conditions. With a 6 to 7 hour battery life and a built-in 64GB card, it offers extended recording time. You can replay footage on the screen, or easily transfer it to your computer or phone. We stand behind our product with a 1-year warranty. Contact our customer support team for assistance with any issues, we're here to help. What we like. This camera features a rotatable lens and an LCD screen for easy playback. If you need precise angle adjustments and instant video review, this is a great option. The versatile design and user-friendly interface make it suitable for various personal and professional uses. What people say. The instructions are readable and clear. This camera has many uses and is well suited for open or covert uses. It has a great screen and is easy to see. The controls are straightforward and easy to use. The H82 is lightweight and has a sleek-looking design. It has a detachable clip with 2 positions of height, and it can be switched to front or back. And it is equipped with a female tripod mount. The camera lens can be pointed to either side of the camera or to the top, and any angle in between its 180-degree range of movement. And when you flip the lens from back to front, you don't have to push a button to flip the image, it does it automatically. A big plus. This is also one of the few body cams that allows you to take videos in up to 20-minute loops. Number 1. Pyle PPBCM92 Body Camera. It captures crisp 1296p video at 20 frames per second. See every detail with its high-resolution lens and experience clear, smooth footage. This device functions as a camera, camcorder, and voice recorder all in one. It's incredibly versatile and convenient for various uses. Review recordings instantly on its LCD screen or easily transfer files to your computer via USB. Sharing evidence is quick and simple. Wear it comfortably with the included clips. It's perfect for professionals needing hands-free operation and easy access to recording. The built-in battery provides 8+ hours of video recording or 10+ hours of audio recording. It keeps you covered for extended periods. It boasts night vision, motion detection, a laser pointer, and is waterproof and shockproof. It's built to withstand tough conditions. Capture high-resolution 36MP images. It's perfect for detailed photographic evidence. What we like. It offers a wireless remote and long battery life. If you need a camera with convenient remote control and extended recording time, this is a perfect fit. The wireless remote allows for discrete operation, while the long battery life ensures uninterrupted recording. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.